My name is Isabella. I am teacher in Nano Shape of Beauty, and today I want to introduce myself. I'm from Poland. I teach many advanced technique methods from Poland, from Europe, from Eastern Europe. On today's videos you can learn how to do injection without needles. This treatment is absolutely popular in Eastern Europe. I did my first training a couple years ago in Ukraine and a couple more trainings in Poland and in Eastern Europe in other countries. We will have two videos, two treatments, two different trainings. First will be basic with lips injection, fat dissolve and wrinkles, and second advanced with mesotherapy and volumetry for face and body. You can learn step by step how to do good treatment and how to offer for your clients the best treatment in Eastern Europe. You can learn also how to create your business and how to make sure that your treatment is the very high quality. In this video, I show you how to set up your pen. In my academy, you can find pen with two tips. We have tip 0.5 ml. It's a big tip for product like liquid. I use this tip for fat dissolve. And second small one, 0.3 ml, is tip for hyaluronic acid. I'm use the most of time for injection. Now I connect my small tip 0.3 to my pen. Next step, you need to open to the end of your gold part. When it's opened, we need to prepare our syringe. And now, because we have here a small hole, that means that we will use 0.3 ml syringe. And first I need to open my syringe, remove this plastic part from inside. After that I take my hyaluronic acid and put it here inside my syringe until 15. I don't do it now, but I show you how to do step by step. Okay, let's do it here too. You need to fill ampoule maximum until 15, because after that we will push this product to the top of the syringe. After where I have until 15, I take my plastic part with black point. I'm push inside in 45 degrees, not 90, but 45. Because if you push with 90, you close air inside. To make sure that we don't close any air, we need to push in 45 degrees very slowly, and we push that much as our hyaluronic acid will be here on the top of our syringe. When it's ready, we have to connect with our pen. I always take my pen here from on this gold part to make sure that I can check that it's really connected. It's enough connected here, my syringe with my pen. After when it's connected, I'm turn around couple times, that many times as one drop hyaluronic acid will be outside. If will be outside, mean that we removed all air from inside and we can start to work. This measurement, what you have here with thick lines, mean that each line is 0.01 ml per shot. What that mean for me? If I want to do lips, the most of time I use 0.02 ml per shot. That means that I need to turn my pen 2 times. When I turn my pen 2 times, I turn 2 lines lower. That means 0.02 ml per shot. Before you want to use your pen, you need to set up your handle. After that, we turn 2 lines if we want to use 0.02 ml, and now our pen is ready for a shot. On this video, I will show you how to do mesotherapy with our hyaluron pen. I will use for her hyaluronic acid with 20 milligrams per 1 ml concentration. Cross-linked mesotherapy is to stretch skin, to make skin more smooth, more even, especially for people with little loosened skin, for little older people, for mature skin with small wrinkles. Is absolutely the best treatment. Before we start any treatment with mesotherapy, we need to mark a treatment area. We need to do mapping, like for fat dissolve is absolutely the same mapping. Why? Because each shot with hyaluronic acid should be around 1 to 2 centimeters distance between each shot. This is very important to make sure that this hyaluronic acid will stretch skin. We need to mark treatment area with small parts, 1 to 2 centimeters each. And if she wants to do her chest, I need to mark full chest, like here, around her neck, and I will back here, and we will go for full chest area. After that, we need to mark section, and that I told you each section should be between 1 to 2 centimeters, and each shot should be exactly in the same place. That means that if I'm do this mapping, when I'm finished, I will have many areas to do each shot. And you need to do shot, if you choose, for example, that you do shot exactly in the middle of this section, you need to do this shot in each section in the same place. And I will finish mapping, and I show you how to shot each area. This mapping should be almost the same. It's not mean that exactly the same, but similar. For that mesotherapy, especially for big area like chest, we need to use around 4 ml hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid is not too much concentrated, not too high concentration, because if it's more thick, it's risk for bumps, for lumps, and these lumps can last a little longer. This is why we don't need to use very high concentration. It's much better if you use 20 milligrams per ml. After that mapping, we have to shot each area. For this mesotherapy, we still use our hyaluronic pen with 0.3 ml syringe. And for example, if I want to do my shot exactly in the middle, that means that each shot will be exactly in the middle, each section, exactly in the same in each part. Like here. You don't need to mark the shots, just do it. And we set up our pen, we turn twice, and we shot in each area. For mesotherapy, we use 0.01 ml per shot. That means that you need to turn your pen just once. On my pen, mean that is one thick line. And I set up my pen, one turn, and I'm shut. Set up pen, stretch her skin, shut, stabilize your hyaluronic acid, and back. Set up, one turn, stretch her skin, push, shut, and each shot is exactly the same. 0.01 ml, the same amount, the same shot, and each part what we did with our mapping. After when you finish, you have to clean full body, full her chest. And the most important is to remember, don't use any ice after. This is very important because with hyaluronic acid, especially with hyaluron pen, we don't go too deep. We don't go that deep like with regular needles. That means that we can't apply product, we can't apply on the top of product any ice, because if we freeze, this ice lumps last many weeks, and this is why on the top of product, on the top of hyaluronic acid, what we did with hyaluron pen, we can't put any ice. If it's little swollen, it's absolutely normal. It's possible that will be swollen, but this swollen will be maybe 2 days. The same is with bruising, maybe it's 2 days, that's all. Especially if we don't make any mistakes, it's for sure 1 to 2 days. You need to finish whole area what you did, and after this treatment, your result is the most of time right after. Is much better after a couple days. Is for stretching skin, is for more even skin, is to feel small wrinkles.